So today is 9th September and I've taken my first trade. Market opened gap up more than 100 points. This was yesterday's closing around 800, exactly 800. And today market opened here 900. So market opened more than 100 points gap up. And the fact that I didn't trade it for 3-4 days gave me a bad itch. So today I wanted to trade very badly, but since market opened up in the middle and all my setups were for flat or gap up opening. So when market opened here around 900, so after the first candle market was coming down, and within 2-3 candles I took a PE trade, a trade of a PE of 17,600. So I entered at this candle here, exactly here, 17,882, and my stop loss is 922. So 40 point in the index, and I'll try to capture minimum 80 points, and if possible more. Otherwise, I'll give my SL. But I don't think Nifty will rally downwards, nor will it go upwards for quite some time, because the price action is showing me that Nifty will be range bound. Maybe later in the day it can rally upward. The thing that I have not traded and I was out of discipline for the last 3-4 days. I was sleeping I was getting up late. I was sleeping also late because I didn't have funds, and I didn't practice anything. So this this restlessness that I have, this restlessness is I should overcome this restlessness because it is not good for trading, and I'm ready to give SL. My mindset has become such that I'm ready to give SL unless I get the opportunity to be in the game. So I need to change this mindset. Being in the game every day is not necessary in options trading, but if I can get 1 or 2 good trades in a week, that is very good for me. This was a support line, this red line, it was a support. Market took support from here, then again here, 2 swings, and then again here, 3 swings. So if today Nifty comes, follows down, it can come to this line, around 840 or 830, 840 or 830. So, and I've written it wrong. This entry is not 17,782, it's 882. The entry should be, let me write it once again. So the entry is 17,882 and Nifty is going for my SL, and the price action, if I look at the price action, was range bound. 1, 2, 3. The first 5 candles is range bound. So if Nifty travels above it, then it can travel above my range now. And if it does, I'll exit my position. But I'll not convert it to a CE. So let's see what happens. So this is the current position now. I have trailed my SL a bit lower, just 4-5 points lower. My SL was the high of this candle, this one, 25, and now I have trailed it to 19. And this 17,840 is the pivot resistance, and I think Nifty will touch it. And if Nifty goes below this point, I'll trail my SL. And I've made a mistake of entering too early. The best point to enter in this trade was somewhere here in this candle, because Nifty has made a double top, and since from here Nifty has been falling straight down, so this is the neckline of the M pattern that Nifty has formed, and 869 will be the this thing. If I trail my stop loss is going to be 869 first, and but I'm planning on exiting the position because Nifty opened gap up, so it can anytime rally upwards, get back to its range above 875. So I'm just waiting for it to just touch or go below 840, and if it falls further, I'll leave it, or maybe I'll the PE of 17,600. I bought it at 44 and it came to 38 something. Now it is 48. So I should have entered at the top of the M pattern. I could have captured 500 points, 500 rupees. So the option chain is showing a lot of open interest on 17,900 in the call side, as well as the put side also. Since Nifty has gone below 17,850, just let me check the open interest once more. So 1 lakh. Oh my God. The change in open interest of 17,900 call is increased a lot, and okay, so there is no such support in the put side. So I'll hold my position. I'll trail my SL and hold my position till 17,800. There is only 87,000 change in open interest and 50,000 change in open interest. So yeah, see, Nifty has come to the resistance line of 840, 17,840, and once it goes below this 17,840, my target will be somewhere here. Let me draw a target of this 807. Yeah, but I'll trail my SL. Sorry, I'll trail my SL to this point, 880, which will be the neckline of the 874, the neck of the M pattern, and this will be my target. Let me mention it. This will be my target. So TGT. This will be my target here, and Nifty has crossed. No, again it is going up from the resistance line. It can take support from the pivot resistance. That is what I was thinking. And once it goes below this line, I'll wait for my target here, because I don't see a lot of open interest, and yeah, I can trail my SL to this point also, 840. So that will be 40 points below my buying price in the index. So let's see what I will do. So this is the current scenario where Nifty is, and I have trailed my SL to the neckline. This is a huge support line for a couple of sessions, and it's almost 10 past 1 p.m. So I'm confused. Should I hold or should I exit? And no, maybe I'll exit, and I can do one thing also. I can trail my SL to this resistance line, pivot resistance, which is at 840. So that way I can exit as soon as market goes below it. I can do that, or I can exit directly. This is the trade 17600. Uh, Currently running at 53.54. The high it made was 61. So some time to see, at least till 2 p.m. And then I'll exit, or I can exit now also, because this is going to be a perfect W, and market can rally upward. These 2 points are creating a double bottom as of now, this point and this point. So yeah, I'll do one thing. Instead of waiting for my target at 807, I can trail my SL down to 840, but a bit later, or I can book my profits now. So let's see what happens. So this is I have exited from my trade at 827. Though Nifty is falling, but I was in a dilemma, and I have took the trade at 882. This was my SL at 919. Then I trailed my SL to 874, and then I was going to trail my SL at 840. And my target was 807. So Nifty coming towards my target, but still I exited. So this is my position. I've closed my position. I bought at 44 and exited at 56. So almost 500 rupees profit, 610, which is not bad. But I follow a rule that if market has opened gap up, then it will go up. If it is coming down right now, it can go up. Chances are very high that it can go up. And this was the support that I mentioned earlier, support line. So I exited near the support line. And now if market falls more 100 point, I don't need to worry, because I have captured somewhat almost 50-60 points, which is good, because I've traded after many time, like 4-5 days, and I entered in the wrong place, but I was lucky today, because my entry point should have been this, exactly this candle. This candle would have been my entry point for a perfect trade to be executed, and my target was fixed. But anyways, like now if market falls also, I don't need to worry, because this was my trade for Friday, and I didn't wanted to carry anything, because it would have been kind of a gamble, and I would I'm trying to change my previous patterns of thinking, and today also I was lucky, but I got lucky, but my setup didn't work. I entered without a setup. The first 3-4 candles was coming down, so I took a PE position, and I need to work on my FOMO and the each that I generate during a trade. So a lot of work needs to be done. I need to meditate more to keep my mind calm. And yeah, that's it. So that's it for today. We'll again see if we can trade on Monday. That's it.